Tiffany and Mariah run our law enforcement program of study here at Allen High School, and they ran a fantastic program. They are giving students live future-ready skills. They talk about fingerprinting. They have a dispatch simulator that they are able to get kids certified on before they walk out, and our students actually get the same certification that our security staff gets at Allen High School. So they work with Allen Police Department, with Allen Fire. They also visit our court system, and so they get real-life exposure into what their career will entail in the future.
A lot of people come into the program wanting to, or thinking they want to be police officers, be in the FBI, and they really don't have any idea of all of the opportunities that are out there. So giving them as much exposure to that is sort of my goal.
They come to me and they say, I have a crazy idea, and you'll probably say no, but can we, whatever that is. And sometimes that is with, students, that is training for them, that is software and equipment, that is opportunities to help grow their program and have a sustainable program so that we are creating those industry ready, those future ready students to come out of Allen High School.
I have people come in every year to present. This is the first year I've had 5 former students come back. One is a forensic chemist now. I have one that currently works in the jail who, when he turns 21, will be moving into law enforcement. I have one that is in state probation in Dallas County, one that is in juvenile probation in Collin County. So they're starting to come through college graduation and into the profession, and there's nothing more exciting than having those students come back and say, thank you so much. This class really helped me figure out what I want to do. It helped prepare me for what was ahead, both in college and in their professions.
Pretty much same thing with like community service. So
I am so proud of our law enforcement teachers, Tiffany Nichols and Mariah Santiago. They go above and beyond for our students to not only make sure that they are ready for their endeavors in high school, but makes them future ready for their endeavors outside of Allen High School.